Have you ever wondered if UX design is the perfect fit for you? You might be exploring a career shift or already delving into UX design, but the question is this the right role for you? While the allure of a lucrative salary in UX is tempting, there's more to consider. In the next few minutes, I'll debunk some common myths about UX and the industry to help you figure out if it aligns with your career aspirations. And I'll share 8 actionable tips to help you stand out in this field. Let's start by clearing up some misconceptions. UX design isn't just about making interfaces look good, it's about solving real user problems. It's a field that involves over 100 methods continually evolving with technology and market trends. It's not just aesthetics, it's about making websites and apps enjoyable and intuitive to use. To excel, you need skills in project management, visual design, human behavior, writing, and communication. To stand out, build a portfolio that demonstrates how you simplified complex tasks and integrated these skills. Take a complex website process, redesign it, and share your strategy and reasoning. The UX industry is filled with competition and evolving job roles. With a shift towards broader product design roles, the demand is now for designers who understand not just UX, but the entire product lifecycle. We see lots of people applying for design jobs calling themselves UX/UI designers, UI/UX designers, UX designers, product designers, you name it. The common problem with the job role name. But the problem is that many of them are actually more focused on making things look good, the UI design, and don't have much experience in deep research, human behavior or interaction, or planning. And if you think this role is very creative, calm down. Depending on the company you work, you have design systems that you need to follow, and most of the time you just drag and drop elements in the UI. And the real creativity in this job is to understand the user and business needs to solve their problems, and not only the creation of a pretty UI. You need to be creative in solving real problems. It doesn't matter if it has a beautiful UI and then nobody knows why and how to use it. And since I'm talking about users, depending also on the company you work in, sometimes you don't have access to real users, and your research could be based on business requirements that someone from your team or your company gave to you, and your work will be based on that. So, depending on the company you work for, you may have different realities. Jobs are getting harder to find with a lot of competition. However, this also presents a chance to learn new skills like project management and adapt to the evolving industry. Be proactive in networking and enhancing skills, like visual design and basic coding, so that you can communicate better with your team. Engage in UX communities, participate in discussions, and reach out for informational interviews. The difference between UX and product design is like being a chef focused on making one really good dish versus running an entire restaurant. Product design involves a broader skills like project management, while UX focuses on the user interface and experience. If product design interests you, start learning about business and marketing and other essential skills like writing and basic coding. You will not code, but this will be very helpful when you work with a team of developers. Seek resources that explain how designs can drive product success. Success in UX requires a blend of technical skills and growth-oriented mindsets. Empathy, curiosity, critical thinking, and excellent communication are crucial as technical skills like wireframing, prototyping, and UX writing. Embrace continuous learning and adaptability to stay ahead. Challenge yourself with redesigning a popular app feature, share your work online for feedback, and keep improving. Stay updated with the latest trends and tools in design. Education in UX is vital, whether through formal courses or self-learning like online tutorials. Try to keep your skills sharp and your knowledge fresh. Remember to focus on a diverse range of skills to ensure you're well-rounded and adaptable. Join online UX communities or forums for discussions and sharing learnings. Platforms like UX Stack Exchange are great for this. Empathy and teamwork are key in UX and product design. Put yourself in user shoes and collaborate effectively. Think of it like being in a band, where each member's contribution is vital to creating an harmonious piece. Communication skills are crucial in any design role. Get involved in UX research or design projects in your community to participate empathy and learn to work in diverse teams. UX and product design comes with challenges. It's about balancing user needs with business and technical constraints. These challenges keep our field exciting and evolving. Keep yourself updated with the latest trends and tools in design. Follow thought leaders and experiment with new ideas in your projects. The future of design looks like it could lean towards consulting roles and knowledge-based work. This shift means that you need to be savvy about business, the economy, and strategic thinking alongside your technical skills. Immerse yourself in webinars or workshops that integrate design thinking with business strategy. Apply these concepts to personal projects, document your process, and evaluate the outcomes. If you're passionate about design and committed to improving, that's what truly counts. The world of design is full of trends and various job titles, but the key is to stay passionate and strive for excellence. I'm curious to know what you think about this topic, so use the comments down below to share your thoughts regarding this. Stay curious, keep learning, and focus on creating impactful work. Thank you and have a great day.